Hey everyone, do you ever forget what you did in your day? You wake up, go to sleep and think, wait, what did I even do today?
Oh, yes, that happens to me a lot. Sometimes I can't remember if I had breakfast or not.
Same. But today, we're going to slow down and talk about something we all do, our daily routine.
That's right. Talking about your day is one of the best ways to practice English. You do it every day, so it's easy to start. Jessica. Oh, yes. That happens to me a lot. Sometimes I can't remember if I had breakfast or not. Ethan, same. But today we're going to slow down and talk about something we all do, our daily routine.
So let's begin with the morning. Jessica, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
First, I open my eyes and wish I could sleep more.
Same here. I always say, just 5 more minutes.
Then I get up, make my bed, and drink a big glass of water.
That's good. You start healthy. I check my phone first, which is not so healthy.
You and many people. But okay, let's help our listeners with some morning phrases.
Yes, you can say. I wake up at 7. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
Simple, right? Try saying them with us. Ready? I wake up.
Perfect. These short sentences are your English muscles. Use them every day.
Okay, now after morning, what's next? Work or school? I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
For me, work. I start at 9. Before that, I make coffee and check emails.
Emails before breakfast? That's dangerous.
True. I should eat first. What about you?
I teach in the morning, so I take the bus, listen to music, and think about my lessons.
So listeners, you can practice English when you travel too. Listen to songs in English, repeat the words, or think in English.
Yes, you can say things like, I go to work.
Let's try it together again.
I take the bus. I drive to school.
I go to work.
I listen to music.
I take the bus. I listen to music.
Nice. Repetition helps your brain remember faster.
All right, now it's lunchtime. What do you usually eat, Jessica?
Sometimes a sandwich, sometimes rice and vegetables. Depends on my mood.
I love rice. I usually eat rice and chicken.
Simple and healthy. So, for lunchtime, you can say,
Yeah, you can also say,
I eat lunch at 1. I drink coffee.
I take a short break. I relax for a few minutes.
I talk with my friends. That's important. Take a break, breathe, and maybe speak one English sentence to yourself.
Like, I am eating lunch now, or I'm relaxing. Easy, right?
Exactly. Even one small English sentence every hour makes a big change.
After lunch, many people feel sleepy.
Ah, oh yes, the 3 p.m. nap dream.
Yes, but we keep going. I work until 5, then go for a short walk.
That's nice. I usually go home around 4 and rest a bit.
You can say, I finish work at 5. I go home. I rest. I take a walk.
Let's practice again slowly.
Beautiful. You're doing great if you're repeating with us.
I finish work. I go home. Now comes my favorite part, evening. I take a walk.
Dinner time.
Yes, I cook dinner, watch a show, and relax. Sometimes I call my family.
Nice. I usually order food because I'm lazy.
Honest man.
So listeners, here are some evening phrases. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I talk with my family. Yes. I go to bed at 10.
Practice them like a small story. For example, I finish work at 5. I go home. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed.
That's your daily story. Simple English, real life.
Now, let's make it fun. Ethan, quick quiz.
Oh no, okay.
What do you do after you wake up?
I check my phone.
Bad habit. What do you do after lunch?
I try not to sleep at my desk.
Good try. See, listeners, you can also quiz yourself. Ask, what do I do in the morning?
Exactly. Talking about your day helps you practice verbs. Wake up, eat, go, work, sleep.
Now, let's do a small activity together. What do I do in the afternoon? What do I do at night?
Okay, everyone, close your eyes for a moment. Imagine your day from morning to night.
Yes, picture your routine. Then, in English, describe it in your mind. For example, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I go to school.
Simple sentences like these build your speaking habit. You can also write them in a small diary.
I eat lunch. Yes, a daily English diary. Write 3 sentences every night. Just 3. I come home. I go to sleep.
And don't worry about mistakes.
Never. Mistakes mean you are learning.
That's right. Every small step is progress. Even saying one English sentence out loud is a win.
You know, Ethan, when I started learning Spanish, I did this every night. I wrote, I go to work, I eat dinner, I sleep. It was simple, but it helped so much.
Exactly. Many people think they need big grammar, but small steps make the biggest difference.
So true. Our brain loves patterns. Repeating simple sentences every day builds strong language memory.
So let's repeat some more together. Ready? I wake up. I brush my teeth. I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home. I go to bed.
Perfect. You just spoke 6 English sentences. Real English.
Okay, before we finish, let's give our listeners 3 easy daily practices.
Yes. Practice number 1. Speak to yourself in English in the morning.
Practice number 2.
When you wake up, say, "Good morning. I'm brushing my teeth."
Listen to English for 10 minutes every day. Maybe this podcast, or a short story, or even music.
And practice number 3. Write 3 simple sentences about your day before bed.
If you do these every day, your English will grow faster than you think.
And remember, don't compare yourself with others.
Yes, your English journey is your own.
Sometimes you'll feel slow. Sometimes you'll feel strong. That's okay. Keep going.
Even if you say one new word a day, you're moving forward.
So, today, practice saying your daily routine in English. Maybe record yourself and listen.
And tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Yes, we'd love to read your answers.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget, you are doing great.
See you in the next episode of Shadow Talks English.
Bye, everyone.